Dear student, in this video we will understand the signal scaling. Signal scaling is a possible solution to avoid overflow limit cycle oscillation. As from the previous lecture, we know that overflow limit cycle oscillation arises because of the overflow after adding the two number, and because of this overflow, oscillation occur at the output of the adder. To avoid this oscillation, whenever an overflow is detected, the sum of the adder is set equal to its maximum value. Means it was proposed here that the adder characteristic should be modified, and because of this modified adder characteristic, we see that there is a non-linearity in this characteristic. So in order to avoid that distortion because of this non-linearity, we normally try to put the output of any adder should lie within this linear range. So in order to assure that after addition of the two number, the output should lie within the range, within the linear range, we have to scale down the input signal up to that extent that after addition it will remain stick within the range. Means the chances of overflow will be nullified. So this thing can be better explained in this example where a transfer function is given, and from this transfer function you may easily draw the second order direct form structure, and in this transfer function now you have to find out the scaling filter to avoid overflow at adder 1 of the distal filter. So this is the first adder, and the calculation of scaling factor can be done by this particular formula, where it is inversely related to the square root of this I term. I can be expressed by this particular formula. Here is a contour integration around unity circle, where dz is a denominator polynomial in the transfer function. So in this particular case, the denominator polynomial of the transfer function will be 1 minus 0.312 z inverse. So by knowing this denominator polynomial, we may calculate the value of I, and in this case, when we find out the contour integration or through residues theorem, we will see the pole because the residues because of poles that lie inside the unity circle. So there is only one pole that will lie inside the unity circle, that is z equal to 0.312. So we will calculate the value of I at this particular pole, and from that you can find out the value of S0, that is 0.9501. So means this is the scaling factor. Means at the input we have to multiply it by this scaling factor. Means we have to scale down the input signal so that its amplitude will be decreased after scaling factor, and when something is added into this number, the output of the adder will not exceed its linear range. So this is the signal scaling, and it should be properly considered at the time of implementation of distal filter into a hardware. Thank you.